हेलो।
Hello.
Ganesh, now you tell me your question. What is your question? Then again repeat.
Sir, class is a keyword.
Class is a keyword.
Class is a keyword, but
Just like na if
class
else
is a user.
in C language na if else.
Yes, I know.
So same like class is a
Sir,
keyword.
okay.
Now tell me what is your problem. Now tell me, ask what is your question.
Sir, class is a user-defined data type. You know.
Yes.
Class is a user-defined data type, but
Yes.
user-defined data type is a we store in a class keyword.
See class. See, I will take an example. Suppose I want to make a fruit class. Clear?
No, sir.
Class space fruit.
Okay.
So fruit is the name of the class. So you are making
Name of
fruit class. So you have to write first class space fruit.
okay.
After that curly braces and opening curly braces, closing curly braces and semicolon. Then class will be closed. You have to write
Close.
end of curly braces semicolon. It means that class is stopped now.
Yes, sir.
So once we will do practicals, then you will understand. Now you can't understand how class will work. Without practical, you can't understand. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So just to now remember, class is the user-defined data type. A class can hold data plus class can hold data as well as functions, just like object. You can say class is a collection of object. In other words, for a single class, you can make number of objects. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 100 objects you can make for a single class. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now see in C++, class is a new data type that contains member variable and member function. What I told, it is a collection of data and function which operate on a variable. For example, mango, apple, banana are the members of the class fruits. Clear?
Sir, also variable or function also members na class.
Yes.
Member of the class.
You can say these are object. These are object also. Mango, apple, banana are the object of fruit class. In other words, you can say also.
We can we say also variables and methods, variables and function. Also
No.
As,
these are the members of class fruits. These are not a variable, not
member.
Mango. Suppose mango is the fruit. So this is one type of fruit. Apple is
one type
of fruit. So these are the member of fruit class.
Okay. Yeah, these are member of fruit.
Clear?
Class. Okay. Clear.
Ishwari, Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Ask me. Clear all of you? What is the class?
Yes.
A class is a user-defined data type. Second definition, and you can say class is the combination of data and functions. For example, you can say anything. Suppose you have a class of fruit. So apple, papaya, mango, grapes are the members of fruit class. Clear?
Yes,
sir.
Now we will go next. We have two parts over object over, class over. Now data abstractions. What its meaning? So these are the very important. These are the property of OOPS: class, object, data abstractions, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance. These are the principle of OOPS. So from today, if you will go anywhere for interview, basic interview, they will ask this question only: what is the object? What is the class? what is the data abstractions, what is data hiding, what is encapsulations. So these things we will now, that's why we are reading now. Abstraction means we are hiding a background detail, act of representing essential feature without including the background details or explanation. See, I am taking one example. Suppose you want to purchase a new car. Clear?
Clear,
Hello.
sir. Hello.
Yes.
Suppose you
Yes,
want
sir.
suppose you want to purchase a new car. So what you will do? First, you will go to shop and you will see car. Clear?
Yes.
What you will see? How car model, how car is looking, how it's means every structure, means you will see structure of car from outside. But you will not see is this class engine is working or not. Can you see? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Suppose if you want to purchase a car. Hello.
Hello, sir. I can hear.
So suppose you want to purchase a car. So what you will see? You will see model, you will see color, you will see how car is look, but you will never see is that car engine is working or not, gear is working or not, how which engine this car is using. So we will not see these things. What we are using, what we used to see, how this car is look like, means we are hiding a essential feature from the outside of the customer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we are
Sir,
concentrating, we are concentrating on outside only parts. We are not concentrating the working of our car, how car is working, how car is running, which motor car is using. Only what we will see means outside model. After if we like, then we can purchase, we can pay money, we can purchase. Only we will see how car is look like. So that is called data abstractions. Without knowing to background detail or explanation of car, only we used to see outside. So that is called data abstractions. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So classes use the concept of abstractions and are defined as a size, width, and cost of functions to operate on attributes. So this is called data abstractions. Means only we are seeing the outside property of car. We don't see the inside working of car. How car is working, is gear is working or not fine, is car brake is working fine or not, which type of engine car is using. So we won't see these things, only we saying how car is look like, everything is fine, then we can pay. So that is called data abstractions, means hiding main parts or background details from unknown person. That is called data abstractions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, Ganesh, Ishwari, Vaishnav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone any doubt, you can ask me.
Sir, we can use the abstract keyword in the data. Then call is data abstraction.
No,
Hello?
that we will see later. What is the abstract class? That will come later. How can we make any class as abstract? Now we are understanding what is the meaning of abstraction here.
I know. I can understand your explanation.
Clear, na? So if you want to make
Yes, sir.
abstract class, that will come later. We will do in practical, then we will explain how can we make any class as abstract class. Now only we are reading concept. What is class? What is object? What is abstractions?
Method.
Later we will implement these things. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So data abstraction is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For today it is enough or you want more?
Sir, as you wish.
No, I am thinking for today it is enough because you study. Tomorrow again I will ask question. What is OOPS? what is object oriented programming, what is software evolution, what is class, what is object. Okay.
Sir, I have one question.
Hmm. Okay.
Why called as oops?
Object oriented programming, that is the short form
No,
of oops.
no.
Full form object oriented
Object
programming.
oriented. What is the meaning of yes?
Programmings, as for programmings, object oriented programmings.
Programmings. Sir, but we can learn only one language now. We can't say
No.
multi.
Oops having lot of language. See, Java supporting oops, PHP supporting
.NET
oops,
supporting oops.
C++
.NET
supporting oops. We have a lot of language that supporting oops concept.
Yes. Okay, I can understand.
That's why we are calling programmings, object oriented programmings, full form S.
Yes, okay.
Clear? We have a lot of .NET also supporting oops.
I know.
So that's why that is called object oriented programming languages. So I'm thinking for today it's enough. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
tomorrow I will take for third year. I will take your Monday class. Okay, Monday or Tuesday. I will give that invitation in Zoom through WhatsApp. Till you study this concept again from your book. You have a book or not? C++ book.
I don't have
Yes,
a
sir.
book, sir.
You can refer. I will send you that one PDF. Okay. Yes, well, that Bala.
Sir, can you share the written notes?
I will share you. I
Hello.
will share you that books. Which books you have to refer. PDF I will send. Okay.
Okay. But I don't have any reference book or take my books in
So I will telling na
language.
you refer Bala Guru C++ by Bala Guru Swami.
Balaguru Swami, C++.
हाँ.
Okay.
Did you take admission or not in our college? Second year admission.
Oh, that is second year after completed the diploma.
Okay, so then you took admission or not admission? That second year.
I have 1 year gap, sir. I have 1 year gap. Actually, I'm passed out 2018. 19. One subject is back. That's why I may not take the admission in degree. That's why.
So then you
But
can take
all
from book from library, our library.
Sir, actually, I'm hometown. I'm not going to anywhere.
Okay, I will send PDF in that WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you read. You have a computer. You have.
Yes, I have a laptop, but my friend is not have laptop.
Okay, so I will send that PDF, C++ PDF to in WhatsApp group. You can share, you can read from there.
Sir, can I use Java? Oops concept both are same, na? C++ and Java, core
Yes,
Java.
yes.
Both.
But
Can I use?
but
Can
in
I
your
can
your
refer the
syllabus,
Java?
but in this syllabus you have a C++. You have to work on C++. You have to implement OOPS with the help of C++.
Okay. I don't know C++. I know only C and Java language.
No,
C is
no.
outdated
C++
now. Is now programming.
is the extension of C.
Okay.
What you know C, after that we will go for C++. Clear?
Okay. Clear, sir.
So for today, I'm thinking it's enough. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss more. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Yes.